Welcome back. Rico Money Bags, the channel helping you invest in yourself so we can invest in the future. Today we're going to talk about Myro. We're going to go over an article. As you can see by the title, can Myro hit $1? That's going to be the billion-dollar question basically when it comes to Myro. We're going to check out the latest and greatest from their X page. And like I said, price prediction, technical analysis at the end. Make sure if you guys believe that Myro is a good boy, you guys like, subscribe, use the link down below to tap into the Money Bags Mansion, my Telegram, where we're going to be hosting AMAs and whatnot like that. Let's go ahead and get the video started by you guys also following at Myro, SOL. Make sure you guys got the bell notification lit like that. You guys will not miss out. Like I said, subscribe to the channel. So we got some things right here. We got Myro has become #1 on KuCoin Gembox as most traded coin. This is going to continue to happen. We're going to see repetition. We saw the prices pull back. We've seen the markets get fearful. Remember, when the markets are fearful, you need to be greedy. When the markets are greedy, you need to be fearful. Keep that in mind, of course, not financial advice, but when the markets pulled back, that's where people, could have took the greedy approach and started to load up, because now look at Myro's prices. They had rocketed right back to where they were at because people had got fear and started to dump because Bitcoin had pulled back. So you want to watch out with that. You might want to just hold because like I said before, this is a billion-dollar project. So, but in the short term, there was that pullback or whatnot like that. But overall, look at the price now. We're right back at 21 cents. We're right back at $200 million market cap. We had pulled back to 170 something market cap or whatnot. But that pullback got ate up really, really fast. So make sure you guys do not miss out on Myro and trying to size this one up just right, because I believe when it does get to that billion-dollar market cap, it's going to happen really, really fast. It's playing with people right now. People are getting shooken around because of the markets and how the response post Bitcoin ETF has not been well received how everybody imagined it was. And that's exactly what they wanted. They wanted people to be uncertainty, to be uncertain, to have doubt, to have fear, because that's what they do. They put out fear and uncertainty and doubt, which is FUD, to make sure that you guys miss out and they take your positions. Do not lose your position on Myro. Right back at almost 22 cents. We could see the market just ripping right up. But we're going to go over this article right here. It's fresh off the press, came out today, and I think we should, because it says Myro's price. Will Myro coin hit $1 in 2024? That's a great question. We should see what the overall sentiment is, what people are saying about Myro. And, is it facts? Is it, not true? So let's see what we got right here. So we got, and after that, we get to the price predictions. We can see that dip. We did rip above that support, but we came right back down. We never made that support. Remember, going up above, making a support. We went up above, but we didn't make a support. Overall market pullback, but we'll get into that in just a bit. Let's go over and see what they're talking about when it comes to this good boy Myro, our good boy Myro. Make sure you guys like and subscribe if you guys rock with me and Myro. So we got cryptocurrency enthusiasts and investors have a new topic buzzing in the community and social media space. Myro, a meme coin with the purpose. In this analysis, we delve into the details of Myro, exploring its features and the burning question: can Myro hit $1 in 2024? Let me know down in the comments. Hashtag Myro $1 if this is something that's possible. We've seen, Solana pumping. We've seen Myro being able to recover now, even when the rest of the markets are pulling back. So the community is definitely here, and we see that right here as one of the features. But let's go ahead and continue. Unveiling Myro's purpose. Myro launched on Solana blockchain in October 2023. Distinguishes itself as adopting the viral appeal of a meme coin while aspiring to be more than just a token for laughs. With the logo inspired by the popular internet meme of a smiling dog, Myro aims to establish a decentralized platform for content creation and monetization. But also, there's a narrative right here that they're kind of not mentioning right here. And that's why we got to clear it up, because yes, it's a meme coin, and if it didn't even come out with anything, there is a narrative with the dog being associated with one of the co-founders of Solana. So we got to keep that in mind, because I believe that's a marketing leverage tool that we have, and making sure that when we talk about that, that people understand that narrative, because it doesn't matter. Anything associated with him is associated with us and that good boy Myro. All right, so key features. Myro set itself apart through several notable features that contribute to its distinctive identity in the cryptocurrency space, which is the community. I've seen it in my YouTube analytics. The videos are going crazy. The views are through the roof. Everybody's liking, everybody's subscribing, sharing the videos. And I could see it in the analytics, and I could see also YouTube pushing the videos out even more into people's homepage and stuff because how hard we're going on these Myro videos. So I encourage us to keep pushing hard, keep doing our thing because it's paying off. Look at how we recovered while the markets are still, shaking around or whatnot. So community strength. At the core of Myro's success lies its strong community, boasting over 500,000 holders and 100,000 active members across Telegram, Twitter, and Discord. The coin introduces staking mechanism that allows users to lock up their coins, earning a remarkable annual percentage yield (APY) of around 120%. The total supply of Myro is capped at 1 billion tokens, with 944.2 million currently in circulation. The remaining 55.8 million tokens are reserved for staking rewards distributed monthly to stakers based on factors such as staked amount, duration, and the overall staking pool. So let me know if you guys are getting staked up on Myro, and if you guys want me to do a video on Myro and the staking protocol that they have. So exclusive benefits for holders. Holders are entitled to exclusive perks, including the ability to acquire limited edition merchandise such as t shirts, hats, and hoodies. The project goes a step further by promoting community engagement through regular events like voice chats, forums, and contests. That is something that is very true. Say what you mean and mean what you say. We've seen Myro, the team, and the community out everywhere doing what they got to do. We see top influencers partnering up with Myro, spaces going down, AMAs back to back, and this is what it takes. Keep the community engaged, especially when we have a good boy like Myro doing this thing. So, transaction fee free model, prioritizing user convenience. Myro has implemented a zero transaction tax on the token. This decision ensures that users can conduct transactions without acquiring additional fees, enhancing accessibility for a wider audience. Being very easy to get on all the exchanges that Myro is currently on right now and rocking, and we've seen that. And speaking of exchanges, I have a link down below for the Moneybags Mansion where I'm going to be hosting AMAs, but I also have a BYD-Fi link where I do some of the price prediction and technical analysis on the video as far as CFI things go, where you guys can get some bonuses and whatnot like that and use that to load up on some more Myro, and you guys would be good on that. So that's just something that's down there if you guys want. So the wider audience. So next we got right here forward-thinking security measures. So acknowledging the paramount importance of security, the cryptocurrency space. In the cryptocurrency space, team has taken a proactive stance. They renounce ownership of the contract, burn the LP liquidity provider tokens. This strategic move acts as a safeguard against potential rug pulls, instilling trust within the community. So, once the LP is burned, basically, you can't rug that. So that's just how that works right there. As we peel back the layers of this distinctive project, it becomes apparent that Myro is more than just a meme coin. It symbolizes the dynamic and diverse nature of evolving crypto ecosystem. I've been saying on the channel lately, and I even saw a comment by somebody, maybe they heard me say it on the channel as well, but I believe that meme coins are going to start to have to be accepted as the altcoins of the alts. We have Bitcoin, then we have the alts, you have your alts or whatnot like that, and then we have meme coins. They're not going nowhere, and Myro's not going nowhere. So market performance of Myro per the time of this writing, Myro's at 20 cents, and the trading volume over the last 24 hours is approximately 42 million. Now it's up to 60. We're pushing right back. Look at that looks beautiful. I can't wait till we get to that. So just stay tuned to the end of the video, share the video, like the video, so we can spread this good news, okay? And the trading volume over the last 24 is 42 million. We know that it's higher now. The Solana base meme coin has experienced a decrease in 2.79% over the last 24, but we're recovering right now, right before our eyes. So currently ranks 231 on CoinMarketCap with the live market capitalization of approximately 195 million. The circulating supply of Myro coins is approximately the 944, like we talked above, and the maximum supply is at that $1 billion mark. So can Myro hit that $1, the $1 million question, or like the $1 billion question? Because this is a $1 billion project, but we'll let them slide right now. But the $1 billion question remains: can Myro hit $1 in 2024? Let me know down in the comments. Will Myro sustain its momentum, or is it poised to fade into obscurity while other meme coins take center stage? Myro has shown a positive trajectory since its launch. The coin experienced a bullish trend since launch, reaching an all-time high of 31 cents on December 25th, 2023, experiencing a remarkable surge of 75% um, in a brief span. This coin swiftly ascended to become one of the standout performers of Solana's decentralized exchange dexes. I believe that we're gonna go towards this point where we're pushing nonstop, no matter what kind of conditions are going on, because at the end of the day, it's this community pushing really, really hard. The team staying active. We're active nonstop on everything. And I think Solana's bullish overall. Solana is giving me 2021 bull market vibes. I don't know how many cycles a lot of you guys have been tapped into. I know there's a lot of new subscribers. And welcome to the channel, all the new Solana, investors coming to the channel. But, you know, this feels like 2021 vibes. Let me know down below if you guys feel like it has that, that hype, the 2021. And as the rest of the markets, BNB and ETH and BTC, yeah, we had a pump, but they're getting kind of stagnant. It seems like Solana's kind of staying hot. We got the phone and whatnot like that. It seems like it's gonna pretty much stay kind of hot for a little bit. It's pretty bullish right now. However, like many cryptocurrencies, and it underwent correction and increased volatility, dropping to a low of 17 cents. No big deal. Such fluctuations are typical. Obviously, what goes up must come down. What goes down must go right back up, as we see Myro doing that right now. And we're pushing really hard. So see what else we got right here. Typical in cryptocurrency market, especially with meme coins, as they are influenced by factors like market sentiment, hype, and speculation. Well, we got the hype, we have the speculation, and we have the sentiment. That is for sure. And the Myro is a good boy. That's our narrative, and we're gonna keep going hard with that. So we see what they got right here, right? So consider the future. Certain experts speculate that Myro might attain a price of $1 in 2024, contingent upon the sustained growth of expansion of the Solana ecosystem. I think it will happen. However, it's essential to acknowledge that Solana hosts numerous prominent meme coins, and there is no assurance that Myro will maintain its leading position amidst this captive competitive landscape. I believe that Myro will. It's the original. And I think that more retail investors, as people hear about, the airdrops with Solana phone and things like that, they're gonna look for this right away. And there's already stories about Doge. There's already stories about, Sheep. So there's a little bit of it in the air where I think no matter what, Myro's here to stay. And of course, it's kind of a contingent, like they said, on this really the community. Do we stay here? And I believe that this community here. Additionally, the coin benefits from having a restricted supply of the 1 billion, implying that this demand rises, the price is likely to follow suit. We got Myro going on a lot of tier 1 exchanges. So that's gonna. We still got Binance on the table. I'm gonna paraphrase some of this. Nevertheless, Myro faces challenges, including competition from similar meme coins like Bonk and Pepe. I think that Myro has what it takes to flip these guys, to really take off into that $10 billion market cap. Yeah, maybe we'll dance around that 1 billion, 2 billion, but we're gonna go towards a billion. And if enough FOMO and the stars are just right aligned and the weather's just perfect, the wind's blowing in the right direction, who knows? We can go ahead and try to flip some of the big names. So I definitely don't want to miss out on this one. I'm loading up on the dips, that's for sure. The market performance of Myro is contingent on various factors, encompassing adoption rates, innovation, competition, and regulatory developments within the cryptocurrency industry. While there is a positivity for Myro to reach $1 in 2024, it remains uncertain. Success is achieved. This milestone depends on continued growth in its super user base, platform development, strategic partnerships, and increased exposure. Man, get your Myro staked up so people see that we got our stuff locked up, and that's going to be more bullish for Myro overall if you believe in the long term. If we're doing this good right now with the stuff that was lingering over Solana with SBF, imagine when all that just blows over and people forget about it and Solana's just doing great, the phone's doing great. You could see people pouring into Myro. So conversely, Myro may fall short of reaching $1 if confronted with technical issues, security breaches, legal challenges, or a decline in interest and trust from its community. I don't see that happening. I see this community still rocking hard. Let's get over another 100 likes on this video. Every single video, this Myro community has been getting over 100 likes on, and I'm telling you, the YouTube algorithm is pushing these videos out to people who are interested in Myro. So we're going to $1. We're going to a billion. We recovered so fast. We're right back at 222 million dollar market cap. We had pulled back to I think 174, and we did hold on to this right here. we even pulled back a little bit more, and I think that's where the market was a little bit afraid. This is kind of where we could have stood naturally, right at that 17, but we pulled all the way back down to 14, and I honestly didn't see that happening. But again, I also didn't see Bitcoin coming back down to 38,000 that fast. So let's just be honest, right? We found support right there on that 15 cents mark, which is right above that halfway point. So, we got that marked right there. And we kept on pushing past 17. Right now, we're at that 22. And I think this is that range where we have that exponential breakout. Notice that, like, when we break past this, there's not that much of a stop. It kind of just jumps up to here because there's that, like, setting support and resistance, a lot of range trading chances, and then out of nowhere there's that breakout. And we're experiencing that right now where we're going to be pushing towards that $300 million market cap, going right back towards all-time highs, even though with the market, being wishy-washy. So we're seeing that right now. We're going to be pushing past that 22. Yes, there's that mid-range. So we got the lower range. There is a mid-range, right? Right here, we can see where this candle wick hit right there, all across right here. There's a mid-range, whereas that 25, of course, that 20, 25, 30. But I think we should be focused on going ahead and pushing to that 27.88 because that's where things and FOMO starts to activate again. So we can get above and do exactly what we said over here. Now, we did do what we said in the last video where we broke above this resistance, right? We broke above. When we came back down to make the support, the markets got kind of shaky, so people get scared. There's a lot of new investors. There's going to be growing pains and teething pains. If we expect to have a lot of new, retail investors stepping into the market, there's going to be times where they get shooken out and they can't see the long term. But if you zoom out on Myro, we even go to the 12-hour chart, this is no big deal. This looks healthy. This is a healthy correction. So zoom out. If you're too zoomed in and you're too worried, notice how many the arrows are all cluttered up. We're going to $1 billion market cap, but this is for the short term. This is a healthy pullback. There's nothing really going on right here. Even with the markets overall, we're going to keep pushing really hard. We're actually pushing to go right back towards all-time high. So we're looking very bullish. Let's see if we find support in this range, breaking above, going this motion up, back down, pumping back up. We might do this in this range between 19 and 22. If we can break past 22, let's see if we can push right towards that 27, getting to that, that range where we're starting to test that $300 million market cap. Out of nowhere, it could be in the $300 market cap range. It could be in the $400 market cap range. It's going to happen like that out of nowhere when we shoot up to that $1 billion market cap. When do you want to wait to get yourself positioned? I've been buying on all the dips on CFI and DeFi because I don't want to miss no type of pump, no arbitrage opportunity. Hashtag arbitrage down below if you want to learn more about that. But I'm loaded up on both of them because I don't want to miss out. And I believe that this one's going to hit that $1 billion market cap. And I've seen it happen before where there's this resistance before this $500 million market cap range. And it starts to play, starts to flirt, go up and down, up and down, up and down, and out of nowhere, $1 billion market cap and sometimes. So just make sure that for now we're paying attention, we're learning. This is good data for us to be practicing, telling our friends where to load up. Not financial advice, but if you would tell somebody, let them load up on a dip, practice how to DCA the correct way and see that we're going to be pushing to that dollar range. Well, wouldn't be that far away once that FOMO kicked in, pushing that $500 million market cap, getting close to 50 cents. FOMO will activate something special at some point in time. So like, subscribe. Check out the link down below for the Money Bags Mansion where I show these videos and you guys can engage to show your engagement with Myro. Also where I'm going to be hosting AMAs, possibly some Myro AMAs as well. So tap in the Money Bags Mansion down below. Like, subscribe, share the video, and also with the X posts that I make after every single video. Until next time, you guys know what it is. Later.